I create this digital marketing flyer design by using Adobe Illustrator. Place the image and transform it properly. Align the image correctly. Make a rectangular shape on the image. Select the image and make clipping mask. Change its opacity to 25%. Place the main image and align it properly. Scale the main image as required. Select the rectangular tool and make circle shape. Change its color. Change its opacity to 40%. Let's speed up the process. Drag the icon to down. Add the main title above the circle shape on the flyer. Change the size of the word. Also change the color. Change the marketing color to yellow. Make a thin line. Make some corrections. Place the logo on the left corner. And add social media icon on the right corner. Create some drop shadow effect to the subject. Change its angle and opacity as required. Make some circle shapes at the flyer. Change the logo color to white. Add a Register Now button. Make some gradient effect to the circle shape. Use two contrasting color for the gradient effect. Finally, make some edits. Here is the result.